Scale.
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 Scale can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, scale can mean 1. A ladder, a series of steps, a means of ascending. 2. An ordered, usually numerical sequence used for measurement, means of assigning a magnitude. 3. Size, scope. 4. The ratio of depicted distance to actual distance. 5. A line or bar associated with a drawing, used to indicate measurement when the image has been magnified or reduced. 6. A series of notes spanning an octave, tritave, or pseudo-octave, used to make melodies. 7. A mathematical base for a numeral system, radix. 8. Gradation, succession of ascending and descending steps and degrees, progressive series, scheme of comparative rank or order. 9. A standard amount of money to be received by a performer or writer, negotiated by a union. 10. Part of an overlapping arrangement of many small, flat and hard pieces of keratin covering the skin of an animal, particularly a fish or reptile. 11. A small piece of pigmented chitin, many of which coat the wings of a butterfly or moth to give them their color. 12. A flake of skin of an animal afflicted with dermatitis. 13. Part of an overlapping arrangement of many small, flat and hard protective layers forming a pinecone that flare when mature to release pine nut seeds. 14. The flaky material sloughed off heated metal. 15. Scale mail as opposed to chain mail. 16. Limescale. 17. A scale insect. 18. The thin metallic side plate of the handle of a pocketknife. 19. A device to measure mass or weight. 20. Either of the pans, trays, or dishes of a balance or scales. As a verb, scale can mean 1. To change the size of something whilst maintaining proportion, especially to change a process in order to produce much larger amounts of the final product. 2. To climb to the top of. 3. To tolerate significant increases in throughput or other potentially limiting factors. 4. To weigh, measure or grade according to a scale or system. 5. To remove the scales of. 6. To become scaly, to produce or develop scales. 7. To strip or clear of scale, to descale. 8. To take off in thin layers or scales, as tartar from the teeth, to pare off, as a surface. 9. To separate and come off in thin layers or laminae. 10. To scatter, to spread. 11. To clean, as the inside of a cannon, by the explosion of a small quantity of powder.
Our goal must be to win at scale.